po ang aking laing rice. Hehe. Sinaing na laing. Laing sinaing, guys.
Hi guys, John Mar here. Welcome to my channel.
So what's up, guys? How are you guys? Ito po ang aking laing rice. Hehe. Sinaing na laing. Laing sinaing, guys. Ayan, guys, oh. DIY meal. Taro leaves yan, guys. Taro leaves. Spicy taro leaves with cocoa milk. And guys, mekos ni John Mar, laing rice. Mekos. Yeah, sarap niyan, guys. Taro leaves with cocoa milk and red chili and green chili. Spicy taro leaves recipe. Okay. Yan po ang aking ulam for today, guys. Ininit na laing. Ayan, guys. Galing po yan sa tita ko. Niluto niya po yan kagabi. Special Bicolano recipe. Yan po. Kaya ngayon, hinihingi ko ngayon sa aking sinaing. Kaya ang tawag ko po ngayon dyan ay laing rice. Mekos ni John Mar. Ready na po. Konting init pa. Ayan po, para lalong pagkinis sa pagpawisan. Initin pa. Konting init pa po. Mga 1 minute pa po. Mag-ready na muna tayo sa table natin, guys. Kuha muna tayo ng water. At aking bottle. Glass, I mean. Okay, guys. Yan, guys. Ready to eat na ang ating laing rice. Ang init, mainit. Wow, yum. Smells good, guys. Rice. Sinabi ko na po dati pa, rice is life. Yan. Filipino food. Okay, guys, let's eat, guys. Let's eat, mga idol. Unang subo, guys. Unang subo. Yan, syempre, hipan muna at baka tayo mapasok. Yes, guys. Perfect. Please don't forget to subscribe guys kung di pa kayo nakaka-subscribe. Tap the notification bell and please do not skip the ads guys. Thank you and advance Merry Christmas. See you, kita kits. Love you all guys.